In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract audio from video in CapCut PC. If you need to separate the soundtrack from your video footage so you can edit, trim, or improve the audio on its own, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on your computer. The good thing about separating audio is that it gives you much more control. Once the sound is detached from the video, you can work with each one independently without affecting the other. To get started, load your footage into the timeline. Go to your upper asset bin, find the video clip you want to work with, then click and drag that clip down onto an empty track in the timeline. Once the clip is sitting in place, click directly on the video block one time to highlight it. You should see it become outlined with a white border. That border is important because it confirms that CapCut recognizes this specific clip as the one you want to edit. Next, open the Clip Options menu. Move your mouse over the middle of the highlighted video clip and right-click once. This brings up a context menu directly on your screen, giving you access to several editing and track management options related to that selected clip. If nothing appears, just make sure the clip is still selected and try right-clicking again directly on the clip itself. Now it's time to extract the audio. In that right-click menu, move your cursor down until you find the option called Separate Audio, then click it once. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and S together on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, CapCut will separate the audio from the video automatically. The sound will be placed onto its own independent audio track directly underneath the original video clip, usually shown as a blue waveform layer. At this point, your original video clip becomes silent, while the audio is now free to be edited separately. That means you can trim the sound, move it around on the timeline, or make additional adjustments without changing the video portion itself. This is especially useful when you want cleaner dialogue edits, better timing, or more flexibility during post-production. And that's it. With just a clip selection, a right-click, and one simple command, you can separate audio from video in CapCut PC in just a few seconds. You're all set. Done.